So we finally finished up our flip house. We had our first open house. A ton of people came through, it went great.
Met a lot of the neighbors, which was really cool. They appreciated our efforts in making their neighborhood look nicer, so that's always nice to hear. Absolutely.
So we're gonna take you inside and check out what's been done inside.
Let's go.
So here we are. Flip house is done. One of the main things that we did in this house is we really opened it up. When you opened up this front door, there was a coat closet, there was walls everywhere, and people don't like walls, especially in small homes.
We just kept the floor plan the way it was and got rid of everything that was separating the dining area from the living area.
So let's take you around a little bit and we'll go through the house piece by piece on what we have done, and we'll show you some of the things of what it looked like before.
We're standing next to a door that we put in because there was no door to get from the garage into the living space unless you went down to the basement and then back up the stairs from the basement into the living area. So we're trying to make the buyer's life a little easier.
One of the neighbors made a comment about, oh yeah, because they were always going from the garage to the front door. Well, this helps take care of that problem.
That'll be nice in the winter.
Yep, and so in doing that, we added a wall here, which allowed us to put a drop zone since we eliminated the coat closet right inside the front door. So we've got shiplap and granite top so that doesn't get scratched, and a place to put shoes. When trying to figure out the original, from the original floor plan and come up with a new plan to help create more space and create just kind of a nicer look to the inside, one of the things we did is we added this wall. And by adding this wall on the other side here is the master bedroom, we were able to put a walk-in closet, which you really don't see in a ranch built in the 1960s. So by doing that, we added the walk-in closet and also, you know, like we talked about a bit ago, the drop zone.
Our initial idea with this handrail was to do a wrought iron handrail, but the ordering of those takes about 10 weeks and we just wanted to keep things simple, so we came up with this idea instead.
Yep, we were showing a house, and inside the house they had just a small section with the gas pipe, and I thought it looked good, and it was a lot quicker than 10 weeks, so it turned out fantastic.
We got a lot of compliments today.
So we're in the kitchen. We completely redid the kitchen. The layout's very similar, but in the 1960s they put bulkheads in. We decided to take those out, run the cabinets all the way to the ceiling. We put LVP flooring in because it's water resistant and it's the new trend, and it looks great. And then we also got some new appliances.
Yeah, it looks great. It's nice and open too. We also took another cabinet out, and a little bit of where the dishwasher used to be, we took that out and put it here instead, so it just kind of opens up the room.
Yep, and then this door here goes out to a patio that we re-poured. The patio so you can do some grilling, or if you want to have a table or chairs outside. So kind of gives you just that access, quick outside grill, come inside, and here you are.
The bathroom was in desperate need of some attention, so we basically gutted everything in there, got a new vanity, toilet, and a new tile shower.
So we're in the basement of this house. This house kind of had a finished basement, but it was pretty shady at that. So we came in and we did a full waterproofing around the outside. It survived a 10-inch rain after that, so that was amazing. But this adds so much space to the house. We've got a huge living room, we have another bedroom, and we also have this nice bathroom.
The old entrance from the garage to the house came down to the basement, so rather than finishing this space off, we left it unfinished so you have room for bikes, boots, coats, you name it. This is a great place to store it. That does it for our tour. Our flip house is complete.
We'll have this baby under contract soon.
Thanks for following along.